Hey, this is Bob from RIVA Motorsports and Marina the Keys. Today, I'm going to give you some special features on our Wellcraft boats, all right? We've got 2025 models. We got 2026 models. These are the Fisherman. Hey, it's boating season. Yesterday, it was 70 degrees in Michigan. It's always 78 down here in the Keys, but give me a call. Take a look at these boats with me today. The first boat I'm going to show you of the Wellcrafts is this 222 Wellcraft Fisherman. This is a great boat for fishing and entertaining. I've got a live well that's in the port aft. I've got a seat right here that I can fold up, create more space. You're going to want to come take a look at this boat right here with me, all right? I've got a T-top right up here that has great sound in it. At the helm of this 222 Wellcraft Fisherman, we've already installed a Garmin. I got a nice toggle switch area. I've got the sound up top. I got map lights up top. As I'm sitting here at the center, I can see all 360 degrees around my boat. All right, this 222 is a fishing machine, but with just a little simple snap, I can turn it into a family cruiser. And look, there they are, just for you and your family. And now that this Fisherman turned into a family cruiser, I have a storage area that has a porta potty for a head, and then I've got the privacy curtain if you need it. Now we're gonna take a look at the 242 Fisherman. Come on with me. I've got two of these 242 Wellcrafts. The one over there's got the single 300 if you want it that style, or I've got twin 200 Yamahas on this boat. So let's take a look at these a little further. On this 242 Wellcraft Fisherman, it is a great boat that I can take the back seat. I can fold it up. I've got great space. I've got a port live well. I've got a starboard live well. It's a wonderful place that you can have plenty of room. Let's go to the helm, all right? All right, at the helm spot of my 242 Wellcraft, I've got the dual binnacles to go with my twin Yamaha 300s. We added the Garmin. We added the VHF radio. This boat has a beautiful T-top with the upgraded JL audios. It's got LED lights for the aft of the boat, and then it's got map lights so that I can see at night. And then you got to check out this feature. Look at this little storage underneath my seat. I can throw my wallet down in there. I can throw my phone down in there. So I want to have a spot to put all that stuff. Now, let's go take a look at the bow of the boat. Check it out with me. Here at the bow of the 242 Wellcraft, it's going to be very similar with this storage and head area of the 222 Wellcraft. I still have that same privacy curtain that you can get in and get out of the sun. Your battery switches are up inside here. But this is a great boat because I can store all my cushions and everything down inside there when I'm fishing. But up front, look. As I put that down, I can come up and enjoy the bow area. We can go to the sandbar, we can chill out, we can relax. Hey guys, this is Bob at RIVA Motorsports and Marina the Keys, all right? You need to come down here to my store so I can show you all these beautiful Wellcraft boats. Give me a call, 305-451-3320.